Understanding the intricacies. May, might, and could, for expressing possibility. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English modal verbs to explore the fine nuances between may, might, and could. These are all words we use to talk about possibility, but how exactly do we distinguish between them? That's exactly what we're going to figure out in this video. So, let's jump right in. May, might, and could are all modal verbs that we use to express different levels of certainty about the future. They all convey the idea that something is possible, but not certain. Here are some examples. 1. It may rain later. 2. She might come to the party. 3. We could go to the beach tomorrow. While these sentences essentially mean the same thing, there are subtle differences in the levels of possibility and formality that these words imply. May is often used to express a possibility that is real or true. It's often used when there is a chance of something happening. However, it is a bit formal, and is not as commonly used in everyday spoken English as might and could. For example, 1. She may visit her grandmother next week. 2. I may have some ice cream after dinner. Remember, it's also common to use may not when something is unlikely to happen. 1. It may not rain today. 2. He may not come to the meeting. Might is used to suggest a smaller possibility compared to may. It's slightly more uncertain. Might is less formal than may, and is used more often in everyday English. For example, 1. I might go to the movies later. 2. They might not have any tickets left. In many cases, you can use might and may interchangeably without causing too much confusion, but remember that might suggests a slightly smaller chance. Could is the least certain of these three modals. It is used to suggest a possibility that is purely theoretical, not based on any specific evidence. It's also less formal than both may and might, and is very commonly used in spoken English. For example, 1. I could go to the gym, or I could just stay home. 2. They could be stuck in traffic. Could suggests that there are multiple possible outcomes and that the speaker hasn't decided or doesn't know which will happen. And there you have it, folks. A breakdown of the differences between may, might, and could. Remember, all these modal verbs suggest a degree of uncertainty, but the level of probability and formality differs. May implies a higher level of possibility and is more formal. Might is a bit less certain and less formal. And could is the least certain and the most informal. Understanding these nuances will definitely help you in mastering English grammar. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll continue our journey of English language learning. Until then, keep practicing and happy learning.